What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be testing different vehicles and barriers against this floating psychic rocks. So as you can see, I'm building a barrier out of destroyed cars. No! Please, no! No, Grandma, no! Come on, man. Not cool, man. Alright. I think this is a pretty good start. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Well, now that the barrier's built, let's see if it can survive rocks and protect my fragile little body. Oh no, wrong one. Oh god. Oh. Oh. Okay, next we're going to be using these cabanas. I think 2 of them should do, and I'll add a little flower vase, I guess. I pray to the Lord Jesus Christ to protect my soul and everything else within it. Wait, is there anything within my soul? Oh! Man, who needs a chiropractor when you have this? Oh, no. Oh. Oh. Ah! I have no words. Maybe this horse will protect me from the avalanche. Horsey, please. Horsey! No! Yes. You protected me! I think. Oh no. Oh no. Come on, let me. Oh. Looks the neighbors are moving. Well, the horse did a better job than the cabanas, surprisingly. If these rocks know what's good for them, they would never hurt a bird, or else PETA would come for them in their sleeps. Sleep. Yeah, sleep. Just play dead and they won't crush you, Jacob. Oh god. I can't see. No! Oh, the bird's still alive. I just bought this house and I got insurance on it, so my insurance should protect me. I got life insurance too, so life insurance should protect me. My house insurance and my life insurance. Oh my god. Is my house okay? Let me go free! Magical hovering powers. Ooh. Well, I better call Saul. I just want to get a plane and fly away, so this should work pretty well. First. Weak sneeze. Come on, please. Yes! Yes! Maybe slow down a bit. Okay, now I gotta land. We're going down now! Okay. Much better. Huh, didn't even make it halfway down. Loser. See, you don't have to knock that hard, man. I know you're there. Oh my. I have built this wall to protect not only me, but the entire United States. Alright, time to see if this wall will hold. In glass floor. Ooh. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to walk around after this. Are the boulders gone? I think so. Well, the glass wall seems to have done something. Alright, on to the next clip. Ow, 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 ow. I have built this tower to protect me from the boulders. Oh. Hey, that. No, not my house. They took my house from me. Hey, I did not say that. I did not tell you that you could put my house in foreclosure. Give it back. Give me back my house, sir. Man, where are all these meatballs coming from anyway? Come on, no my house. Let's see if I can build a barrier out of trailers to protect myself. Perfect. It's alive! Now let's see if it'll protect me from the boulders. Actually, I need to get on top of this. This is... Let's see. Now this is something I can get behind. Scooting. Oh, I'm scooting. Oh, I'm scooting. Oh, I'm leaving marks. Oh, I'm scooting. Ooh. Tip everywhere. Oh. Low fat ketchup though, don't worry. Ah. Oh god. Low sodium ketchup. Well, that did not work. How is this house still holding on? Man, it's still going. Oh, look at that house. Well, that didn't work either. I have come to the conclusion that only God can protect me. See here. The power of Christ compels you. Whoa! Please no. No! Please! Did it work? I think it worked. I think it worked. Yes. It worked. Jeep Chrysler, that was a lot of debris and stuff. I finally figured out what can protect me. A concrete wall with some graffiti on it. Time to see what the damage is. Ooh. Oh god. I mean, gosh. Just gonna... Yeah, I need a taxi. Couldn't find a taxi, but I found this Ford Thunderbird. Okay, time to see what the damage is. Ooh, not much damage. Well, that window certainly took a beating, though. And I guess that's it for this video. Ugh.